Hey, what's going on, guys? It's TerrenceRe. I got a lot to chop up this morning. We're gonna talk some forex trading. I'm in this little forex challenge that I started this morning. Uh, we're gonna go over the stock market as usual, and I'm not gonna keep you long, but I promise to be strong right after the break. All right, guys. So basically, with the forex challenge, it's I think the name of the company is MyForexFunds or something like that. And basically, um, you got a challenge that you got to pass. Um, you got like 30 days to make like 8%. And then after those 30 days, if you make 8% without like I think the most drawdown you can have is what 5% in a day and 12% overall. So the one I did was like a $10,000 account. And basically after those phases, if you complete those successfully, then they fund your account and you trade their money and they do a profit split with you. So I was doing that in Forex, which is, let me see, I'm pull up Euro USD. I'm gonna show you. I already hit a trade this morning, and I'm gonna drag it onto screen. Then I'm gonna talk about the trade setup that I use, how I did it. So without showing my whole account number, I'm just gonna be able to show you like just so you guys can see the trade amount. So if you're looking at the screen, you should see me pull it over. I'm just trying not to show, it's no way for me to show my account number because I'm doing this live. So without me blotting it out. So you can see two of my levels hit take profit. Now you see this one right here where I lost like $23 right there. That happened because I don't normally use MT4 and I was trying to set my take profit levels and accidentally closed the trade. So I hurry up and put it back on and got back in. So that's what you see. So it's like 103.75 and then the $23 loss. This one I traded the what you call it, the on the CFD, which is the S&P 500 on there. I didn't use a large enough lot size because I'm not quite sure comfortable with the lot sizes on that. So that's why I like to use the Forex, like the Forex pairs like Euro, USD, maybe AUD, USD, the Australian dollar, or maybe the GBP, because I know what each tick stands for, like for each amount of whatever lot size I'm comfortable with. And so I just did like a 25-cent lot size. And like I said, I got to make 800 bucks in 30 days. And I'm 10% of the way there. Started with 10,000. You see, the balance is 10,085. So I got $85 this morning and I am out of that trade. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up so that it does not keep my live stream from doesn't make it buffer. And we're gonna talk about the trade setup because I'm not gonna do another one um right now. Like when I'm scalping or something like that, and that would be considered a scalp, like I'm in and I'm out. And basically what it was, um, and so what's weird right now is MT4, you can't if you on the what you call it. If you got an Apple phone, so it's not in the iStore or the App Store, Apple anymore. So I couldn't use the app from my phone. So I seen the setup like on my phone and Thinkorswim on the app in there. So I see it there and I was like, oh man, I like this trade. And it's still running up. You just looking and you see. So I was like I hopped up this morning, ran in there, jumped on the computer and got in. I got in like right around here. So that's probably about it was right around in this area about 6:20, 6:15 this morning. And basically it was my bull flag. Now, I got a longer case for Euro USD going up. Like this was back on like what Friday morning where you got this bull flag right here. If you guys can see that. I'm gonna take some of these lines. I'm gonna take I don't want to take. I'll draw them back in. So you can see what I'm looking at right here. I got a cross of the 12 moving average, cross over to 26, right? And then it pulled back here. And then it took out this high. Now, if I would have been trading this last week, I would have put this trade on back then. Or and maybe like an option trade, because the Euro USD is the you can trade it in the futures market, and it would be forward slash let's see, forward slash 6E. That's your futures. This is your Euro futures market. And if you look at it, it's the same chart. So I would have probably traded like this on the option market, and I still may do a little something in it, maybe later on today, after the broadcast. But be trying not to. If I open up TastyWorks, I don't know if it's gonna make this buffer because I'm doing this live. All right, so once I see that bull flag right here, boom, I come in and I put my Fibonacci retracements on, right? And I measured the move, and it's down in my sweet spot. This is my sweet area right in here. Right now, I actually seen this back on Friday. I seen this morning when I pulled it up. So this automatically telling me I want to be bullish in the euro, right? So I'm here, and consequently getting long the euro is kind of like a way of getting short the dollar. Sort of, almost, kind of, sort of, right? So you see, guys, I hit these levels, hit the 618, the 100, pull back into here, came up and hit the 1618 right here. Boom. Then we start getting our retracement going into the weekend. We got, and then Sunday, and then here we are. So this morning, boom, little bull flag, smaller, but the same concept. I'm in. Now I sat through a little drawdown. That's why it's imperative, like with this challenge that I'm doing, not to use if I would have used a large lot size, I could have been down depending on how large I use. But I had my stop below this level right here, and I just sat through it. Actually, I went and got back into bed. And so I glanced over at my phone. I was like, let me go do a video. Because I told one of my homies I was gonna do a video if I seen the trade. Like, I think he's doing it too. So once I seen that, then I came in here, hopped on, and here we go. And so I took profit here. That's my second level. So I'm like, all right, now looking at this with the oscillator, the awesome oscillator, still making higher highs, this high higher than this one, and no divergence. I do think this is going to continue to run. If I was to get back in right now, I would go, because you're so far away from the start, you can get drawdown all the way down into here and lose your gains. So that's why it's either you stay in the trade or maybe you drag, like when it was here, maybe I should have moved my stop up to maybe like here or something like that, right? But I didn't, because I do think that we may get the next level is here. Now this one right here is from this 1618 is back here, from back here on this move. See? Now ultimately I do think that it may go all the way up to this level right here. I'm not sure about that, but that's why I took profit. While a lot of times when I do this trade, I'm either out here at the 100 or the 161. Now it looks like this one is going to run some more. You're going to get up into here, hit the second level. The last one is up here at 0.9944, right? So, hey, you get in at your own risk if you watching this video right now and you decide to get in it. I do think it's going to run more, but for me, I'm out of that trade for now. I'm 10% of the way home on the challenge. And for the most part, I'll pull it up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I don't think it's MyForexFunds. For X. There you go. I'm just gonna pull it up so you guys can take a look at it. And I'm gonna drag you over here to my screen. And this is it. So this is what it looks like. The market awaits you. My Forex Fund, the world's leading funded trader program. So and that's it. Earn as a professional trader. So they give you like you here it go right here. Earn from phase one. Get 2% of your trading profits by passing phase one, and 4% of your trading profits by passing phase two. So basically, they're gonna give you a little bit of money while you're passing the phases in the actual challenge, and then after that, um, they'll give you a larger profit split, and here's the evaluation you can do. I'm doing the regular evaluation instead of the rapid, um, or the accelerator. I'm doing this one. I didn't even look at this one right here. Low entry cost, progress into a professional trader, get paid as you gain experience. Get to see how I didn't even look at that one. I just did this one. I seen a lot of people online doing this one. So since profit split up to 85%. And so that's that. Um, and this is it. So now we're gonna get to so that's the Forex part of this. I trade everything, guys. Um, and I thought that would be pretty fun to do this little challenge, and we'll see. It cost, I think I paid all in all like about $84, $85 to do the challenge. So you can see I just ran in here because I had it while I was trying to get live before it actually hit the take profit level. So I just ran in here like boom. I ain't throw my hat on or nothing. My hair straight though. I woke up like this. So now let's talk about the actual markets. Um, and I scalped. Let's pull up the euro, not the euro USD. Let's pull up the S&P 500. I scalped some options this morning. I was like, man, I just this is a good morning. It's starting off pretty good. Same thing, same concept. S&P 500 is the 5-minute chart. You got this right here. I seen this flag this around the same time, right? So generally, when these flags form, they're gonna form around the cross of the oscillator. They're gonna be around that same time. So it crossed here, pulled back, boom. I think I got in. I don't know, somewhere right around in here, right? So I didn't. Well, on the uh on the challenge I did. Now the option market didn't open up to like 9:30. So right, the stock market opened up here. I actually bought that call option like right in here. And I was trying to get on so I could do it while I was live. I went in it a minute. I got in like right here when I seen it doing this. I put my take profit in, and like maybe a minute later, 3 minutes later, boom, look at that long wick. It hit that level and then pushed back down. And boom, I'll show you. It was like I made like $100 um literally like a minute or two. So I'm going to open up my TastyWorks. Let's see. Uh let's check this. Let's see if I can let's see if I can put you know what? Let's see. I can just without opening it up so it doesn't pulling up using all these different trading platforms, it'll put a drag on the system and mess up the live. So this is what I'll do. I'll show you the option on here. We'll go to the SPY, hit trade. I came into the weeklies. Whenever you're scalping options, in my opinion, it's best to come into weeklies because you're buying options that expire, like when you're buying options, they're gonna decay really quickly. So it's just for scalping. I'm not holding, and whenever I scalp an option, I'm not holding it past the day. So it's something I'm in and out. So I came right in here and bought the. I can look at my phone and see exactly which option I bought. Do do do. We want to lift you up. Let's see. Um, I bought the. So let me go to the activity tab. So I'm looking at my phone just to go back and see which one I bought today. Um, 376. So I bought this strike right here. And so what happened is when it poofed up, I paid 170, 186 for it. So earlier this morning it was at 186. And then it popped up when they had that long wick. And then I sold out of it for $3. So I made 114 bucks on that trade. And it was like that. So a lot of times when the market first open up on this moving like that, one thing about the benefit of scalping options as opposed to like doing futures or like forex or something like that, when you have those big swings in the market and you buy an option, you you only can lose what you paid for the option, right? So that 186 that I paid for it, I would not have lost. I can't lose any more than that. Like it could have shot all the way down. Some news could happen. It could have came all the way down here. Most I would have lost was the 186 that I paid for it. And that's one because you can see like right now, look like the market is turning, right? Right. So it hit my level. That's what I was talking about. Holding it, trying to catch those other levels up there, like even with the Euro USD, you never know if it's gonna make it to those. So a lot of times I either try to catch the 100 or the 1618. If you get in it like right here and you catch the 1618, that's more than 1 to 1. It may be like 1.5 to 1. It's almost it's almost like 2 to 1. As a matter of fact, it's close. It's close to 2 to 1. So like from here to there. So that's a pretty good. It's at least 1 to 1. So that's a good risk reward. So if your technical analysis is tight, and you could do that. And I do that trade just about on everything, even when I'm trading options and I'm getting directional. Unless I'm doing something in an option market that's non-directional, like an iron condor or strangle, then it really doesn't matter. So hey guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Hope you got something out of this. Told you I ain't gonna keep you long. And you can see, looks like we got a bear flag right here. I still wouldn't trade this going down. The advanced decline line in the market right now is 68. So that means that it's positive. Um, so out of the S&P 500, more stocks are that are positive than are negative. Um, and even though the VIX has gone green so far, it could be a wishy-washy. The financials are positive, and you have energy as positive. And I will not short a market when the financials are positive. That means the big banks are positive. So now, if I see them go negative, then you might can get short. But I don't like that trade right now. I will sit tight. Just my own personal opinion, and try to catch something to the upside. But who knows? You know, the main thing is to control your risk and trade small. You guys have looked at that Forex trade I had earlier and say, hey man, you traded really small. Like I could have really banged that out for the pips that I caught on a higher lot size, but I had to sit through drawdown. So if your lot size is too high, you get margined out on your drawdown and you blow your account. So I'd rather trade small and hit consistent bangers and sleep. Like I put my trade on to go to sleep. I don't be tripping. I ain't gotta watch it. So I'm comfortable like that. And I'm comfortable trading like that. And you see we got a sell-off going. So I'm gonna get off this video and then do some more uh what I call the sauce, my little sauce, and do some of that stuff and see if I can't scalp something else out of this option market. And with that, guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and go on and share the video. Help me get these likes up and get this viewership up. With that, guys, I'm out. Peace.